In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Hello kids, how are you today? Fine, Alhamdulillah. The title of the lesson we are going to study today is Physical Education. Please open your student book page 121 and workbook page 113. Before tackling the new material, let me remind you of the phrases and words you had learned before. Go home, have breakfast, wash my face, brush my teeth. Okay? Now, I want you to look at the pictures and say the suitable phrases. Which phrase can be said about picture number 1? Brush my teeth. Very good. Which phrase can be said about picture number 2? Yes, wash my face. Which phrase can be said about picture number 3? Have breakfast. Very good. The last picture? Yes, go home. Great job. Now we come to another recall exercise. Do the homework, watch TV, pray every day, clean my room. Okay? Look at the pictures and say the phrase that can be written under each picture. Which phrase can be said about picture number 1? Yes, pray every day. Picture number 2, which phrase can be said about it? Yes, clean my room. Very good. Picture number 3, which phrase can be said about picture number 3? Yes, watch TV. Very good. Picture number 3, number 4, which phrase can be said about it? Do the homework. Great job. Now we come to another recall exercise. We have learned some words related to sport like the following: basketball, volleyball, football, tennis. Very good. Now, I want you to look at the picture and say the word that can be written or said about each picture. Which word can be said about picture number 1? Yes, tennis. Very good. Which word can be said about picture number 2? Yes, football. Which word can be said about picture number 3? Yes, basketball. Very good. Which word can be said about picture number 4? Yes, volleyball. A great job. In this way, we remember well what we had studied before from the words and the. What do you expect we are going to study today? Today, we are going to read and listen to a text about football. Okay, the objectives of the lesson can be shorted in the following. Number 1, identify 5 words related to football just by making use of the pictures accompanied and listening to the CD player. The objective number 2 is to predict the main idea of a short reading text, then read the text once again and listen to it to find some specific information through asking you some more comprehension question. Objective number 3 is to compare two football teams after reading a short reading text. Now we come to objective number 1, which is to identify 5 words or phrases. I'm going to play the CD player and you are required to look at the pictures and the words or phrases written under it. Listen and repeat. Are you ready? Yes.
Module 8. Physical Education. 1. Say the new words or phrases. Player. Score a goal. Team. Football pitch. Football match.
Very good. After listening to the CD player, I'm going to try to keep these words and the phrases in your mind by following the strategy of learning by photo. In other words, I'm going to display you a picture accompanied with a word or a phrase, and you are required to read it. Okay? Okay. Who can read? Player. Who can read? Score. A goal. Who can read? Team. Very good. Who can read? Football pitch. Who can read? Football match. Now we come to do a formative assessment. Look and choose. Look at picture number 1 and say and choose A or B. Score a goal or team. Yes, score a goal. Picture number 2. A football match or football pitch? Football pitch, very good. Picture number 3, football match or football pitch, football match. The last picture, team or player, team, very good. Now we come to objective number 2, which is to predict the main idea of a short reading text and read the text once again and find out some specific information through asking you some more comprehension questions. Look at the pictures and try to answer the following question. How many teams are there? 2 teams. How many players does each team have? Yes, 12 players. Very good. Which team does Ahmed play for? The red team. Very good. Number 4. Which team does Omar play for? The blue team. In this way, we can understand that we are going to read a short reading text about 2 boys, Ahmed and Omar. Each of them is playing for a certain team. Very good. Now, we come to listen and read the text. I'm going to play the CD player and you are required to follow me.
2. Look, listen and read.
Let's play football. This is a football pitch. There are 2 teams. The red team has got 11 players. And the blue team too. Look, Ahmed plays for the red team. Omar plays for the blue team and scores a goal in every match. He is a good player.
Very good. After listening to the CD player, let me ask you some more comprehension question. How many teams are there? 2 teams. Very good. What color are the team? Red and blue. Very good. How many players has each team got? 12 players. Very good. Which team does Ahmed play for? The red team. Which team does Omar play for? The blue team. Where is the ball? In the net. Very good. Now we come to do affirmative assessment activity number 3, pupils book page 121. Read and match. There can be matched to 2 teams in the match. Omar plays for وبعدين تختار for the blue team ولا for the red team. Ahmed plays نفس الشيء. يلا. Have you finished? Yes. Let me check your answer. Omar plays for the blue team. Ahmed plays for the red team. Great job. Now we come to objective number 3, which is to compare 2 football teams after reading a short reading text. This is Ahmed. He's a football player. He plays football every day. This is a white team and a black team. Ahmed plays for the white team. He scores a goal in every team. Choose A or B. What is the right answer? Yes, the right answer is B. Very good. Now, we come to do affirmative assessment activity number 3, workbook page 113. Ahmed is a football player. True. There is a white team and a blue team. True or false? Number 3, Ahmed plays for the black team. True or false? Number 4, he scores a goal in every match. Have your time. Have you finished? Let me check your answer. Number 1, true. Number 2, false. Number 3, false. Number 5, number 4, true. Very good. Now we come to closure of the lesson. Label the pictures. Team, football match, football beach, score a goal. Yes. Which phrase or word can be written under picture number 1? Yes. Score a goal. Very good. Which phrase or word can be written under picture number 2? Football pitch. Very good. Which phrase can be said or written about picture number 3, football match. The last picture, team. Very good. Thank you very much. Goodbye and good luck.